Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn Week 1 review together, step by step. You made it through Week 1, so let's recap your toolkit. First, friends of 10, the pairs that add up to 10. Use them to make a 10 before you add 8 plus 6. Take 2 from the 6 to make 10, then 10 plus 4 is 14. Next, the 11 trick. To multiply a two-digit number by 11, split the digits and drop their sum in the middle. 45 times 11. 4 plus 5 is 9, so it's 495. And if that sum is 10 or more, just carry the 1 to the left. Then the line trick. Draw crossing lines and count them in groups from left to right. 21 times 13 gives groups of 2, 7, and 3, so 273. It's perfect for small digits and carry if any group hits 10 or more. Finally, 2 more tools. Left adding. Take the 10s first, then the 1s. 84 plus 37 is 121, and all from 10 for subtracting. Each digit from 9, the last from 10. 100 minus 63 is 37. 5 tools in 1 week. You're already a mental math champion. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.